All right, you see, it's starting to pop.
All right, welcome back to Brisayo and Jared. You may have noticed in the first few videos that I kind of needed a haircut.
You did.
So, luckily my baby has all kinds of skills.
Amen.
So check out how she cuts my hair better than most could do in a professional shop.
Thanks, baby. All right. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's go. Let's do it. All right. Let's start it. What we'll be needing today is, pretty simple. Not too hard. We need a little clipper, whatever size or whatever you like. We need a comb, and we'll also be needing like a spray bottle. So for now, I'm just going to I'm going to drop down the spray bottle, drop down the comb.
And the scissor.
And the what?
Scissor.
Oh, the scissors.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, did I show the scissors? No. And then yeah, we also need the scissors. Scissors. All right. So next thing is, so the way he taught me how to cut his hair is you have to literally do it in layers. So for instance, this very first part, you want to do maybe like for instance, this has like different settings. You have like 2, 4, with 2 being like the lowest, and it cuts like super low. So we start with like, babe, what do you want today?
What do we usually do? 6?
I think we usually do like 4.
4,
Yeah.
4, 6, 8.
Yeah. So we start cutting, and then we kind of start with like 4 on this layer, and then cut this part to be like 6, and then this part is like 8, and then I trim like this very top part. So let's do it. So now the setting is at 4. I'm just going to turn it on. Okay. So and how you want to cut is you want to kind of like swipe it up. You swipe it up. You don't just want to like cut. You want to swipe it up because you want everything to like blend. You don't want no sharp looking stuff. So they can kind of like see it. Yeah, so as you can see, this part is like low, so that's how you want to start. It looks a little weird right now, but slowly but surely. So the next thing is we're going to be changing the settings to, we started with the setting at 4. Let me see if I can make it zoom in. Yes, exactly. So we started at 4, now we'll be moving to the next setting, which is 6 for the next layer. Okay, so we're done with the very first layer. Now we're moving to the next layer, which is like right here. And I try to, give him a little bit of scalp massage in the meantime, just to make him happy. Yes. The setting, which we're putting at 8. I don't know why. Yes, it's currently at 8 right now. Basically, the same thing, this final layer. Okay? You blend it out. This part is very, very important because this is the part that blends into the full hair area. So make sure it's well blended. Don't just like do what you like. Make sure you do what's the best for the hair. see starting to pop. It's beginning to pop. You see the sides is like, I'm still going to show it to you guys, but you know, the sides, they're playing like palm side just. Yes. So you see the sides is beginning to like look good and nice, but we still have a lot of blending to do, and we also need to fix this top part because obviously this is so low now and this kind of looks messy being this full, and he really doesn't like his hair being full because it's, you know, more difficult to style. So what we'll just do now is I'll blend it a little bit more, and then once I'm done with that, I would go ahead and fix this part. It's beginning to get out of control. You know, I try to compensate him, just give him a little bit of scalp massage. You know. And then and then I'll be back. Alright, so for the final part, just to blend it up, I'll use a 10. Okay, so the 10 is literally going to go around this area, just to kind of like blend it. Usually at times I use 8, but today I just feel like using 10. Just, you know, I don't really want to mess it up. I'm just trying to give him a nice blended looking haircut. So I want to make sure it's blended and it looks nice. All you have to do is just play with it like this. Just keep like swiping off, swipe off, 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 off. Alright, so it's looking good so far. Wait, please can you show them this part? Yes, exactly. You see? So it's kind of low now. Yes. All we have to do now is focus on the middle part. So like I said, it wants it low. So therefore, we're gonna make it low, make it low, make it low. Anyway, alright, so as you guys can see, it's looking fresh. You know, everything looks nice and well blended. So now next thing we need to do is this top. It looks a little crazy, right? So to start with, I like to just comb it out just to play with it. Give him my funny hairstyle. Tell him that, hey babe, this looks nice. How about we do this, baby? Babe, what about this?
Okay, we're done. All done.
Alright. So the next thing I'm going to do is spray the water. Whoops. Just spray it, spray it, spray it, spray it, spray it. Sorry, baby.
That's right.
Once it's wet, then I can go in and start to chop it. Chop it up, chop it up, chop it up. So I start by, it depends on how I'm feeling. At times I kind of like go slowly, like do something like this. Just hold on to the comb like this and kind of like chop it up. Like up, 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 up. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me try to zoom it. So it's like super close to the hair. Okay, so like I said, I'll pick it up. Kind of like pick it up like this. Comb it out. You can use your hand actually. You can use your hand. Just use your hands like this. Depends on what you think it's comfortable.
Just remember it's longer, or it's shorter dry than it is when it's wet.
Yes. Exactly. So now we'll be moving to the beers. That's it.
Feels much better.
How do you feel, baby?
Feels good.
Like your new haircut?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, so that's it. That's the side. Show them your side. That's what it looks like. That's what the other side looks like. To the side, baby. Yes, you see it's all blended. That's what you should be aiming for. And you know, this top, I feel like this top is, babe, can you put your head down a little? This you just literally have to customize according to the customer's preference. And that's about it. What do you guys think? Do you like the haircut? Are you guys going to try it? And yeah, let's know. Let's know, let's know, let's know. And that's about it. Bye guys. See you in our next video.